Hi there, little friends. Today we are going to learn about something called noise pollution. Have you ever heard really loud sounds that bothered you? Like honking cars, barking dogs, or loud music? Those are the examples of noise pollution. Noise pollution happens when there is too much noise in our environment. Just like we need clean air to breathe and clean water to drink, we need peace and quiet to feel good. Too much noise can make it hard for us to hear important things and can even make us feel stressed or upset. Imagine you are trying to listen to your favorite story, but there is a loud truck outside making lots of noises. It would be hard for you to concentrate, right? That's one way noise pollution can bother us. Now, let's talk about where noise pollution comes from. Sometimes it comes from big machines like trucks, trains, or airplanes. They make loud noises when they move. Other times it comes from people being too noisy, like shouting or playing loud music. And it's also important to remember that animals can be affected by noise pollution too. Loud noises can scare them and make it hard for them to find food or even rest. But don't worry, there are things we can do with our superhero Prakriti Bandhu to help reduce noise pollution. We can be mindful of how loud we are and try to be quieter when we play. We can also use special things like earplugs or headphones to protect our ears from loud noises. And we should try to be kind to animals by keeping them noise free in an environment with lower noise levels. Next time you're outside, see if you can notice any noisy things around you. Maybe you'll hear cars or birds singing sweetly. It's fun to listen to all the sounds around us, but let's try to keep them nice and peaceful for everyone. Remember, being aware of noise pollution is important because it helps us take care of ourselves, each other, and our planet. So, let's work together to keep our world a little quieter and a lot happier. Keep your ears open, little friends, and always enjoy the beautiful sounds of nature. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.